Tomorrow is National Drug Take-Back Day, a chance to empty out your medicine cabinets and safely dispose of your outdated or unneeded prescription and non-prescription drugs. There will be drop-off locations all across Central Texas, including at St. David's Healthcare. And joining me now is Kristen Hullum. She is the St. David's Round Rock Medical Center Trauma Injury Prevention Coordinator. Whew, you've got quite the title on you. She's also a registered nurse, so she knows what she's talking about here. Thank you for joining us, Kristen.
Yeah, absolutely.
Tell us a little bit about exactly what it's pretty simple, right? It's in the name, National Drug Take-Back Day, but, you know, tell us the gist of the day.
Yeah, so for the last 2 years, St. David's Healthcare has partnered with the Leander Police Department on National Drug Take-Back Day, and this is a DEA program. We do it twice a year in April and in October, and we just try to make it as easy and convenient as possible for people to drive up and get rid of all of those old and unused medications.
And tell us how exactly, you gave us a little insight because you said drive up and get rid of it. How is it being collected? Do I have to get out of my car? What do I have to do?
Not even really have to get out of your car. So you don't have to park. You literally just have to drive up. We'll be at the Leander Medical Plaza. It's right next to the St. David's Leander Emergency Center at 505 St. David's Loop. And we'll be there tomorrow from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. You drive up. We've got some nurses out there and then the Leander Police Department who will collect those medications for you. And then the DEA will dispose of them.
You know, why is it important to do this way, this proper way of disposing of those drugs rather than maybe throwing them in the trash can, or, you know, back in the day, folk used to flush them down the toilet.
People still think they can flush them down the toilet. And, you know, the EPA and the FDA have found pharmaceutical medications in our water supplies. And so in order to keep it out of the water supply and out of the landfills, and then most importantly, to keep the people in your home safe from unintentionally, you know, taking these medications, we want to just get them out of the house and make sure they're properly disposed of.
And one of the things that I think we should note is what medications, not in terms of the date, right? So people are saying, oh, I can still use this. Oh, it just expired, you know, a month ago. What's the rule on what you should do about expired medication?
I mean, the expiration date is there for a reason. So, you know, ideally you should let it go after that expiration date because it may not be as effective for you. But any medication we will take, it can be oral, prescription, or over the counter. We take ointments and creams and patches and drops and even pet medications.
I did not see that one coming, not the pet medication and the wraps. You know, we talked a little bit about the importance of this, and I want to talk specifically about what can happen when some of these medications get in the wrong hands. It can really cause a lot of harm.
Right. So I think everybody knows very well about the problem that we're facing in this country with opiates. And so that may be one of the drugs that you have around your house. You know, that root canal you had a couple months ago, or an old injury or surgery, and you've still got some of those narcotics left. We just want to make sure that those don't get in the hands of anybody who may potentially abuse those medications, or children. Even one tablet of some of these opiates could be fatal to a child. But it's not just the opiates, it's the old blood pressure medications and your blood thinners and anything else you can think of. We still see plenty of people in the emergency rooms who, especially older adults who may be a little forgetful or confused, who've unintentionally taken their older blood pressure medication in addition to their current one. And then we have a medical problem. So we just want to get them out of the house.
Yeah, just go. You don't even have to get out of the car.
You
don't have to park. All right. Kristen, we thank you so much for taking some time out to talk with us today. And we certainly hope you all will avail yourself of what they have to offer. Thank you so much.
Thank you.